Are you ready to experience the epitome of luxury? Imagine spending a night in the world's most extravagant hotel. It's not just a dream, it's the reality at the Burj Al Arab Jumeirah, Dubai's renowned 7-star hotel. At $20,000 per night, it's a price that most of us can only imagine, but here dreams become reality as you arrive. A Rolls-Royce awaits to whisk you away to this opulent oasis, perched 321 meters high with 56 luxurious floors, and that's not all. There's even a dedicated helipad at the top. The rooms start at a spacious 170 square meters, with the exclusive 2-story sea view suites at the street end. Each room is a masterpiece adorned with gold accents, and every door handle and plumbing fixture is plated in gold. Even the decorative nails on the walls are from Cartier, but that's just the beginning. Your toiletries are all from Hermes, and the entire hotel offers a butler-style service. These skilled butlers speak multiple languages, ensuring your stay is seamless and extraordinary. And to top it off, every room boasts panoramic views of the stunning Arabian Gulf. Now let's talk about dining. You're in for a treat with Michelin-starred restaurants and dining options that are simply out of this world. Whether you fancy dining by the sea or beneath the waves, your every culinary desire is catered to. This is not just a hotel, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that goes beyond extravagance. The Burj Al Arab Jumeirah in Dubai is a testament to the extraordinary, where every detail is a masterpiece. So, are you ready to live the dream and stay in a world of luxury you've never imagined possible?